day everyone. This video in French is about months of the year. The word used in English to French. January, Janvier. February, February. March, Mars. April, Abril. May, Mai. June, Juin. July, Juillet. August, Août. September, September. October, Octobre. November, November. December, December. Thank you.